Hello traders. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share what's considered a reliable MT4 indicator for 1-minute binary trading. When used correctly, it can help you make profits in binary trading. Let's go over the trading rules for this indicator. The indicator represents the trend of each candle with smiley faces. A white smiley face indicates a bullish trend, while a red one signifies a bearish trend. It's important to note that you shouldn't trade on every single candle. This is because indicators are designed with specific market conditions in mind, and the real market doesn't always align perfectly with these conditions. Market movements can be unpredictable, and indicators can sometimes provide accurate signals and at other times, incorrect ones. One consistent factor in the market is support and resistance levels. Predictions based on these levels have often been reliable. Consequently, in many of my videos, I've recommended using this indicator's signals while also considering support and resistance levels. In today's video, we'll do just that, use the indicator's signals while paying attention to support and resistance levels and price movement. Here's how to approach it. Look for a price reversal after it touches a support level. If the indicator confirms this with a white smiley face and the price shows a strong bullish movement, then consider taking a buy trade on the second candle. Conversely, when the price reverses after hitting a resistance level and the indicator shows a red smiley face, along with a strong bearish price movement, then consider taking a sell trade on the second candle. This indicator signals works best on the 1-minute candle timeframe, with a recommended expiry period of 1 minute. It's wise to avoid trading during news releases due to unpredictable market volatility. For optimal results, focus on the European and New York sessions when market activity is high. If you're new to trading, don't worry. We'll take some live trades to help you understand the trading rules better. So make sure to watch the entire video to learn how to use this indicator for successful trades. Remember, trading involves risk, and no indicator is foolproof. It's essential to manage your risk and only trade with funds you can afford to lose. So let's start. I've entered a buy trade based on our recommendations because the price reversed from a support level, and the indicator showed two white smiley faces on the previous two candles, which indicated a strong bullish trend. Now, I'll keep an eye on this trade to see if it turns out to be profitable or not. Free download this indicator, link given in the video description. We have successfully win this trade, so let's wait for the next perfect signals. I see another great opportunity to enter a buy trade here. The indicator has shown white smiley face signals on the last 3 candles, signaling a strong bullish trend. The trade position on this candle also appears to be safe and reliable. So, let's observe whether this trade ends up being profitable or not. We have successfully win this trade, so let's wait for the next perfect signals. I see again another great opportunity to enter a buy trade here. The indicator has shown white smiley face signals on the last 4 candles, signaling a strong bullish trend. The trade position on this candle also appears to be safe and reliable. So, let's observe whether this trade ends up being profitable or not. Unfortunately, this trade ended in a loss. As I mentioned earlier, predicting the market is not foolproof, and indicators can provide both accurate and incorrect signals. This trade serves as a clear example of that. For now, it's best to pause and wait for further trades, only taking action when we see more defined market movement. I've entered a sell trade at this point. The reason for this decision is that over the last 5 candles, the market has been stuck in a range near a specific level where sellers have intervened twice. This suggests that the bullish trend has weakened, and we anticipate that sellers will push the market toward the lower support level. Additionally, the indicator confirmed this with a red smiley face signal on the previous candle. To potentially recover the previous losses, I've taken this trade with a double amount. Please be aware that increasing your trade size to recover losses can be risky, and it's crucial to manage your risk carefully. We have successfully won this trade, so let's wait for the next perfect signals. I've initiated a sell trade in this situation. The reason for this choice is that the candle has broken below the support level and is moving downward. Additionally, the indicator has consistently shown red smiley face signals on the last 5 candles, confirming the bearish trend. This setup aligns with our favor, and our trade position is considered secure. So let's wait for the result. Here we have luckily won this trade because our trade position is safe. So let's wait for the next perfect signals. I've decided to go for a buy trade in this situation because the most recent candle broke through the resistance level, and the indicator has consistently displayed white smiley face signals on the last 3 candles, indicating a strong bullish trend. However, it's essential to note that our current trade position is unfavorable or in a precarious state. So let's for the result. We've won this trade as well. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me continue to produce high-quality content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your trading community. So keep learning, keep growing, and always remember that the power to succeed is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.